And you definitely heard the liberal justices emphasizing the importance of adhering to the clearly erroneous standard, that there was evidence in the court with the district court found and the United States case, not in the party the case originally, but the Solicitor General's office, the United States International, emphasized the importance of following the
the challengers of the map had no direct evidence that race had predominated in the decision making process. Circumstantial evidence. This would be breaking new ground in our voting rights jurisprudence. Is that true? I mean, isn't
It's the hard part to keep left here.
And a number of these other cases in which the court has found racial gerrymandering, the district was oddly shaped. There was a big change in the district. People were moved around a lot, but the district itself didn't want any kind of odd shape in the court at some time. Had not presented an alternative map. Basically, the question was, could the state have gotten as part of the goal without legally my course around? And the question was, required to present a chart of map showing that the state could make the district as a Republican without losing as many black voters. There had debated, of course, to whether the group could have the map. And the president is that they don't have the Justice Kagan is quite strong on that because she actually missed the case. And said that against her 5 years ago. But nonetheless, the other justices sort of came back and said, well, maybe you didn't have to, but why didn't you? Why wouldn't that have helped your case if you could have shown that they could attain their partisan goals without using race quite as much? I mean, it really went into the question, the difficulty of separating out race and party. And in fact, the conservative justices were sort of creating it, even though the prior case, Cooper had said there's no such requirement. You saw some of them basically kind of suggesting that either that there is, or that there should be, or that it's a problem when there isn't.
Justice Kagan argued that the map makers wouldn't just have relied on the 2020 election results. She said this to the lawyer arguing for South Carolina. Your defense was, we didn't look at the racial data for this purpose. And what the lower court said was, I don't believe that. And later she also said, they had not only the opportunity, it was sitting there on their computers, but the clear incentive to be looking at this race data.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
What was getting at there, and did you find it persuasive?
So a couple of questions here. One is, why would the state bother using race when they could just use party? And if their goal is to make the district more Republican, why not just use party voting? Why use race as a proxy? They actually have party. One response to that is actually they had much more information about race than on Part A. We had, because of the way in which kind of votes were counted in South Carolina, they only had one election. Which was on a day since it was a 2020 presidential election, and the anti-race wasn't a good predictor because there had been more kind of white crossover voted for Biden in the Trump election. So this argument is just that she agreed that in this case actually the state used the race data because the race data was more bipartisan. The predictive value is more party data. The point was that even on the computer,
Does he give up their first home run this year? No. I don't think it works backwards that way. Also, that dark and he got his starter in the playoffs. That's very good outside the box. What if he didn't pitch at all? He wouldn't give up a home run if he didn't pitch at all. That's correct. No. And by all means, bring in Michael Grove. Alright, so there we go. Lance Lynn gives the soft Lance Lynn, don't have him hit. And Sheffield will sit more play. So the other thing is all the whole Lance Lynn thing.
ESO here.
Lance runs each game for a team that average 500. They work through it. Very good. That's one of the top two in batting orders. Great people when they just lost a batter to the bases or letters to the Braves and the Alright, thank you. So there we go. High drama in Philadelphia, a murder in Kansas City. Oh boy. Wait till we get to coming up next. What happened? I suspect now it's late. Oh, my Ben was walking to the Monica Brick. Coming up next, we'll tell you everything that went on with Steve Smith and Jerry Judy. Oh boy, is it? He's not gonna go, buddy. That's right here, Dave and Mike, Bob. If you like using debit over credit, don't you think it's time to also get rewarded? Well, now you can with Discover Cashback Debit. It's a checking account that rewards everyone with cashback on everyday purchases. Plus, you're not charged any account fee, period. Whether you're moving, starting a new job, or heading to that next stage of life, whatever it is, Discover Cashback Debit is for everyone. Check out eligibility and terms at discover.com/cashbackdebit. Discover Bank member, CIC. Restrictions require online consultation with healthcare provider will determine if appropriate restrictions apply to websites and subscription required prices based on coverage and subscription plans. Hey guys, did you know that the generic form of Viagra that works just the same, but it's 95% rebate and you can get it online? Go to hims.com/joy. Hims members get a free medical consultation, free shipping if prescribed, and the process is 100% online. To start with free online visit, go to hims.com/joy. That's hims.com/joy. The IRS coming after you for unpaid taxes you can't afford to pay. This special notice is for you. The IRS will seek you to resolve your tax debt. Special IRS tax relief program. Introducing my status list. These historic IRS programs on behalf of taxpayers like you resolve their